Teacher will read the question. Chlorophyll, spell properly the chlorophyll. Waalaikumsalam, Rania. I don't know. I read a book and it says if our skin black, we can get skin cancer. But sunlight give vitamin D. Yeah, the sunlight give us vitamin D. Before this, teacher mentioned in our class, okay, at school, alright, why our skin, alright, some of us have darker skin, why some of us have lighter skin, alright, because of the melanin inside our body, alright. Well, Kali sit down, sit down. Okay, if your skin have many melanin, okay, many melanin, all right, have much more of melanin compared to the other, okay, your skin is will become darker. But with the darker skin, okay, you can handle hot sun, okay, you can handle hot temperature. But for those who with lighter skin, okay, they couldn't really handle the light from the hot sun. If we do activity, all right, in the field, those with lighter skin, all right, they will become uncomfortable because their skin couldn't really handle the sun. But for those with darker skin, right, they can handle the sunlight better. That's it about the melanin. That one we don't have that in our primary 4 syllabus, but it's just general knowledge since Amal mentioned about the skin. Okay, skin color just now, dark or light. Your skin become dark when, for example, you go for a holiday in the island, right? So your skin become darker. That one because of the sunburn. That one darker because of sunburn is not permanent. All right, it will go away over time. But if someone born with darker skin, that one because of melanin inside the skin. All right, let's continue with our topic today. All right, hi everyone. Thank you for joining our science class today. Alright, I'm so sorry. Yesterday, teacher couldn't make it to our science class. Alright, teacher, my next appointment is going to be 6 July. Okay, but it's okay. Teacher will finish up our science class first. Later, then I'll go to the clinic. Okay, so for topic photosynthesis, the one that teacher Binox explained to us just now. Alright.
Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay, just now, teacher show a video. Teacher already shared that video in Seesaw, right? So I show it again just in case if any of you haven't watched the video. Right? It's about photosynthesis.
Teacher,
Yes?
I don't watch the Dr. Vino's video because I didn't come early.
Oh, it's okay, Safia. That video teacher already share with you guys yesterday in Seesaw. Later, Safia can check yesterday activity, okay?
Okay.
Okay. That one, teacher yesterday teacher assigned a video for you, alright? But it's okay. Today teacher will explain in detail what is photosynthesis, alright? So, what is the easiest way for you to remember the meaning of photosynthesis, the definition of photosynthesis? Okay, the process where plant make their own food. Plant produce their own food. But if you cannot remember the word produce, you can say where plant make their own food. Right. So this is the definition. What is meant by photosynthesis? So this one, I'll tell you, this one you have to memorize. You have to remember what is the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is process where plant make their own food. Because we human, we cannot make our own food. Yes, we cook our food. But that one, all right, doesn't mean that we can produce our own food. All right, we have to go buy the groceries, we have to cook our food, then we have to eat them in order to get the energy and to get the nutrients. All right, but for plant, they doesn't have to go shopping, they doesn't have to go buy the groceries, they can directly make their own food, alright, when they receive the sunlight and also carbon dioxide. Where do plants get carbon dioxide? Where do they get the carbon dioxide? Where is the carbon dioxide come from? Anyone know?
Human.
Human, correct. Human and animals. That's why in first topic plants today, that day teacher mentioned plants are human, animal, we need each other. Okay, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala has created this earth perfectly. We need each other. Plant need us for our carbon dioxide. We need plant for the oxygen that they give to us. Okay. So plants, they need the sunlight, okay, or any light, and also carbon dioxide to make their food. Where is the location? Where did the plant make their food? Where is it? Flower, leaf, stem, or root? Which one? Where is the location?
I think better is water, I think.
Water?
I think.
Okay. Leaf, alright, inside the leaf, alright, we have a component named chloroplast. Okay, inside the chloroplast, we have chlorophyll. Okay, so those components, chloroplast and chlorophyll, they are the one who will trap the sunlight. Okay, after they get the sunlight and also carbon dioxide, they will do photosynthesis process. Okay, then from the process, after a process, they will always have a product. So what is the product? Okay, what is the product of photosynthesis process? We have oxygen, the one that is supplied to us and also animals, and also carbohydrate. But okay, usually, right, in the plant, okay, they will store in form of starch. Okay, they will produce oxygen and glucose. Glucose, starch, and carbohydrate, right? They are basically the same thing, but different, in different shape. Later teacher will tell you. Okay, I will explain in detail what is meant by what is meant by glucose. Yes, teacher can hear someone raise up your hand just now. Yes, Adam Iman.
The plant is the leaf inside the plant absorb carbon dioxide
And
and brings out as oxygen.
yes, correct. So that correct, Adaiman. Thank you. So teacher will close the chat box for a while because you are talking about durian and reactor core and whatnot. Okay. So this one. Okay. So first thing you have to memorize, okay, the definition of photosynthesis. Easy only definition of photosynthesis, process where plant make their own food. Right? So remember, you have to memorize that one. Okay, so the needs of plant for photosynthesis process. What do the plant need? What do the plant need? Okay, Arayan, can Arayan give teacher the first one? What is the need for plant?
Apa?
What do plant need for photosynthesis?
Light.
Light, okay, correct. Good job. Thank you.
Nak minum air.
Okay, alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Naufal, Muhammad Naufal, can you give teacher another one? What plant need to make their own food, photosynthesis process?
Oxygen.
What plant need, sayang? Plant need oxygen?
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah, correct. Carbon dioxide. Correct. Akif Razin, can Akif Razin give teacher another thing plant need to make photosynthesis process? What do plant need to make photosynthesis process? What do plants need to make photosynthesis? Just now your fresh air with a sunlight, carbon dioxide. What else? Okay, it's okay, Frazin. Thank you. You can turn off the microphone. Okay. What plant needs in order for them to make photosynthesis process? They need four. Okay. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water. Where do they get the water? From the root, because root absorb water, and also chlorophyll. Chlorophyll, you can find them inside the leaf. Chlorophyll is substance, okay, is the material that make the leaf color green, okay. Sometimes chlorophyll we have many type, all right, many type of chlorophyll, but you don't have to memorize, okay. um the chlorophyll will affect the color of the leaf. For example, we have chlorophyll A and C, all right? But for chlorophyll, you need to remember, all right? Chlorophyll is the green color substance in plant, okay? The leaf color green because of the chlorophyll, right? So remember, four needs. Plant needs four things, right? For photosynthesis process. Sunlight, okay, or any light, carbon dioxide, water, and chlorophyll. Okay, so this is the reaction, okay, of the photosynthesis. You have to remember sunlight, okay, carbon dioxide, water, okay. Plant will use these three things, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water, right? After they make the photosynthesis process, glucose and oxygen will be formed. This one is the final product, okay? What is the product of photosynthesis? Glucose and oxygen. So what is glucose? Glucose is the simplest form of sugar. Simplest form of sugar. Alright, so glucose. Alright, the easiest way for you to remember is glucose is the simplest form of sugar. Okay, just now teacher told you, I will explain in detail what is meant by glucose, starch, and carbon dioxide, right? Okay, can teacher Nazrin had your microphone? Okay, it's okay. Can teacher have Zafif? Zafif, can Zafif turn on the microphone, Zafif?
Yes.
Zafif, where do we get our carbohydrate from? Carbohydrate?
Rice.
From rice. Good job. Thank you, Zafif. Okay, so we get our carbohydrate from rice, right? From noodles, from spaghetti. Okay, so for example, when you eat rice every day, you eat rice during your lunch, right? You eat rice every day, or you eat bread, okay, or you eat spaghetti, uh, or you eat noodles. So you will get your carbohydrate from them. Okay. So for carbohydrate, we have carbohydrate is one of the food classes that we learn in primary 3, right? When the carbohydrate go inside your body, alright, it will break down into a glucose. Okay, so glucose is the simplest sugar. Carbohydrate, but in the simpler form. Okay. Your body will break down your carbohydrate, and your body will store in form of glucose. So glucose is basically sugar. But they are simple sugar. That's why some people are telling you don't eat too much rice. Don't eat too much rice. Don't eat too much carbo. Just eat what your body need. Why? Because at the end, this carbohydrate will be broken down into glucose. So remember, glucose is basically the simple sugar. But what is starch? What is starch? Starch. So starch, okay.
I think it's sakit perut.
Sakit perut, starch.
Yes, I think. Stomach aches.
stomach ache. This one not starving. This one no stash. Stash, alright. After the leaf, okay, after the leaf make food, alright, after the leaf make food, they will they will store the glucose in form of starch. They will store the glucose in form of starch. So after the leaf make food, they will distribute the food to all part of the body, to the stem, to the root, to the flower. Right, that's why photosynthesis is very important to plant, because after the leaf make food, okay, after the leaf make food, they will distribute the food to all part of the plant. Alright, so for glucose, teacher hope you guys understand, okay? Glucose is the simplest form of sugar, the simple sugar, alright? Because after you eat the carbohydrate, this one example, after you eat the carbohydrate, your body will break down the carbohydrate and they will become glucose. So same goes in plant, alright? They will make food, okay? They will store in form of starch, but still, the product of photosynthesis, you can memorize glucose and oxygen. Glucose and oxygen. So that's why we need plant, because they will give us oxygen and we will give them carbon dioxide. Okay, now all of you, can you prepare your practical book? Practical book. We're going to draw the equation. We're going to do the equation of photosynthesis. What is meant by equation? This one. This one, sunlight plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, this arrow, photosynthesis process, the product glucose and sugar. All of this we call it as equation. Equation. Okay, you can go take your practical book first. No problem.
My science book is at home. My science book is at home.
Your science book is at home. So where you
No,
are?
it's at school.
At school?
Yes, I did not bring it home.
So usually when teacher asks you to write in your practical book, where did you write that?
I write in my other book.
So use the same book. So use the same book to write the activity today. Okay, use the same book.
Teacher.
Yes?
Why the plant have a sugar?
Why the plant have sugar?
Yeah.
Plant have sugar. Plant make their own food. Okay, so the food, their food is the sugar. The glucose is their food. Haziq, why you need food? Haziq, why you need food? Why Haziq need food? For what? Why did you eat every day? Why? Haziq, tell teacher why you eat every day?
I just the device, including the IV cam. What is the phone? This is my phone.
Kalish. Okay, Kalish. Okay, turn off your microphone, Kalish. Teacher want to ask you a fair question. Haziq, why you eat every day? Haziq, why you eat?
Every day I eat roti garlic.
Why? Why you eat roti garlic and nestem? Why did you eat? Why? If you didn't eat, what will happen to you?
It become.
If you didn't eat, what will happen? Okay, it's okay. Thank you, Haziq. Okay, it's okay. Alright, Amir Shazwan, if you didn't eat, what will happen to you, Amir? Amir Shazwan?
I'm dead.
You're going to die? Not yet. Okay. You become hungry. You don't have energy.
No energy.
No energy. Well, that's Afif correct. If you didn't eat, you won't
to death.
you're going to
Teacher,
starve.
I have a question.
Yeah, yes, Adara, yes.
If we eat carbs, carbs are sugar, right? Like
Yeah,
are
correct.
we made out of sugar then?
What?
Are we made out of sugar?
Are we made out of sugar?
Since we eat carbs and then they become sugar. Are we
Yeah.
made out of
I
sugar?
am sugar.
Okay. That's why, all right, in the food pyramid, okay, we are not advised to eat the carbs more than what our body need. Okay. Why? Because when you eat too much carb, they will change into sugar. After they change into sugar, okay, if you eat too much of the carbohydrate, where will it store? Where will it store? It become adipose tissue. It become fat. Fat under your skin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks,
You,
teacher.
you're welcome. It will be stored as fat under your skin. Okay. That's why we need to eat the carbs according to portion that we need only. Kali sit properly. Kali Denny sit properly. Okay. So just now teacher asked you, if we didn't eat what will happen to us, we won't have energy. Okay. We cannot do anything. We cannot grow. We cannot stay alive. Just now your friend share with us. Okay. We will starve to death. Yes. We need to eat because we need energy. Okay. Same goes to the plant. They need food. Okay. They need food for them to grow taller, okay, and healthy all the time. Same goes because they are living thing, all right? Same like us human, we are living thing. So we need food to ensure we can grow and also to ensure we stay healthy all the time. That's it. Okay, that's why plant need food because they are living thing. Yes, 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 yes. Naufal. Hmm. Ryan. Yes, Ryan.
Teacher, what is
Uh-huh.
human's body is made out of what?
Human body.
Yes.
Human body is
What
made up
is it?
from what human body is made up from?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Water.
human body is made up from cell. All right? Not water. Not
Huh.
water.
Well, I
Water.
thought we were like 70% water or something.
Uh, okay. Inside our body, we have a water, right? We have water as the component to ensure, okay, we as a solute, as a solution in our body. But we are not made up from water. We are made up from cell. Okay, we are made up from cell. That's why when you are growing in your mother womb, okay, when you are growing in your mother womb, all right, um, you are going to learn the reproduction in your next level later, okay. All right, so in your mother womb, all right, the men, okay, they will have a sperm and also ovum. So when sperm and ovum meet together in your mother womb, all right, you will grow into a baby. You will grow into a baby. Now, I'll turn off your microphone first. While you are growing into baby, okay, it start from one cell, then after that, 4 cell, after that, 6 cell, then you become bigger and bigger. Okay. So like this, teacher will show you, eh. Okay, for example, at first starting inside your mother womb, okay, in your mother womb, you start from one cell. So Ryan asked teacher, what human are made up from? Okay, our body is made up from cell. Okay, this cell, okay, when you grow in your mother womb, it become bigger. It become 4 cell. After 4 cell, it become 6. So you become bigger and bigger. Okay, later, teacher do remember in which syllabus, which primary you're going to learn. Okay, we have, you learn in P3, right? From cell, after cell, we have organ. After organ, we have system. Do you remember? We learn about that one?
No.
No, you don't remember anymore. Okay.
No.
So we start from cell. After cell, when cell grow bigger and bigger, it become organ. What is your organ? Your nose, your mouth, your hand, your feet. That one is organ. If too many organ combine together, nose combine with your trachea, combine with your lung, okay, 3 organ combine together. What system do we have? We have respiratory system. This is how it works, okay? This is how it works in your body. To answer your question, Ryan, we human made up from cell, but not only one cell, okay? In body, we have many cells inside our body, okay? We are made up from cells.
Teacher,
Yes?
can you show the slide?
The slide, which one, Zafif?
The just now one.
This one? The
Yes,
reaction? Yes, okay. Do you have anything to ask?
I want to copy.
Oh, you want to copy? Okay, teacher will write in the Jamboard, okay? So that it's easier
Finish.
for you guys. Okay.
We
Finish?
already finished with that one.
Already finished? Well done. You already write in your book? Have you write date and date for today, everyone?
Teacher copy one.
Yes.
Not yet. Okay, if not yet, do copy. Wait, teacher will write. Write date and date first inside your book. Teacher hope you guys are using your practical book. If you don't have your book, you can use any notebook. Done. So fast. Good job. Okay. Teacher can see some of you already sent your work in Seesaw. I already checked yesterday. Okay, after I come back from the clinic. But some of you sent teacher the empty worksheet. Maybe it's okay. Maybe I assume maybe you do in your skill hebat book. Later we will discuss. Teacher hope you guys can tick your book. Okay. So for those who haven't start in your practical book, make sure you write day for today. Right? Please write your day so that you know when did you learn about this one with teacher. Alright, today is 2nd July already, 2021. Okay, the title, of course, photosynthesis. If you haven't write the title, please write the title, photosynthesis. Careful with the spelling of photosynthesis, alright? Photosynthesis. So where this photosynthesis get their name from? The Greek word photo means light. Why light? Because the plant get the light to make their food. Okay? Alright. So the reaction just now, we have 3 things that the plant need, okay? For them to make the photosynthesis process, right? We need sunlight. Practical book, my dear, practical book. Sunlight, then sunlight plus what? If you don't have, use another notebook, any notebook that you have. Who tak ada? Who tak ada buku just now? Who tak ada buku? Who tak ada just now? Who don't have the book? Carbon dioxide. Where the plant get the carbon dioxide? From animal and human, from us, carbon dioxide. After that, aside from carbon dioxide, they need water. Water. Where do they get their water? Sumaya, I know Sumaya. Where do plant get their water, Sumaya?
The leaf?
Water, sayang, water.
Oh, root.
The root, correct. Good job. Thank you. The water they get from the root. Why? Because the root absorb water. That's why in science, okay, they are our topic is related to each other. Before this, we learn about what is the function of root. So today, if teacher asks you where the plant get their water from, you can answer teacher from the root. Why? Because the root is the one that absorb water. Alright. So for photosynthesis process,
What is the writing of root? I didn't see.
writing of the root.
No, you say water will absorb at the root.
Water, we learned in previous class before, okay. Plant respond to stimuli, right? Kalish, turn on your microphone, Kalish. What will the root respond to, Kalish?
What?
Root respond to what? The root respond to what?
Water.
Water. Okay, water and one more. What else? Water and? Root respond to water and?
Gravitational pull.
What is the other name of gravitational pull? What is the other name of gravitational pull? We have one more, the simpler one.
Neutron.
Huh?
Gravity.
Gravity, correct. If you don't remember the word gravitational pull, the other word for gravitational pull is gravity. Simple, one word, gravity. Okay, so root respond to water and gravity. Root will grow inside the soil to find the water, and also they will grow deeper into the earth. Why? Because of the gravitational pull, because of the gravity. Look, they're related to each other. They should respond and grow toward light. Why? Because later, okay, they want to trap the sunlight for what? For photosynthesis. Why they want to absorb the light? Why they want to trap the light? So that they can make their own food. That's it. Okay, they related to each other. Okay, photosynthesis. What is the product of photosynthesis? Christina, do you remember what is the product of photosynthesis, Christina? After plant make photosynthesis, okay, what is the final product of the photosynthesis?
Sugar. Oxygen.
Oxygen, correct. Plant will make oxygen. Oxygen and what? One more.
Sugar.
Sugar, okay, so sugar. So sugar, what is the other name of sugar that she told you just now? The name for sugar?
Glucose.
Glucose, correct. Glucose. Glucose, alright. If the question asks you the final product, please answer glucose instead of sugar, right? Because sugar, we have many form of sugar, right? But glucose is the most correct answer. Okay, because it's the simple sugar that the plant produce after photosynthesis process. So this is the reaction that you have to remember. What plant need to make photosynthesis process? Sunlight, carbon dioxide from where? From human and animal, and water. Water from where? From the root. Okay. So after they done with the photosynthesis process, two product will be produced. Two product. The first one, oxygen. Oxygen. Where do oxygen go? To human and animal. Okay, so that one is the cycle. Okay, oxygen go to human and animal. Alright, then the other one, second product is the glucose. Glucose is the simple sugar. Please answer glucose instead of sugar. Right? So can you show teacher thumbs up if you understand about what is photosynthesis?
Teacher, can we draw
Yes, kind
flower?
Yeah, you can draw if you want to draw, no problem. You can draw a plant if you want to draw. Okay, let's say you want to draw a plant.
Teacher, what if I don't want?
If you don't want, you don't have to draw, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to draw, you can draw, because this one, teacher didn't ask you to sketch, because this is important for you to know the reaction. It's okay if you don't want to sketch. Right? Just now Kalish asked teacher, can I draw a flower? Sure, you can. If you want to draw a plant, you may do so. Okay, draw sunlight as well, so that we know where the plant get the outside, where the plant get their light from the sunlight. If inside, they can get the light from the other source. Okay, who just joined? Jaden. Okay, so plant get the light from the sunlight. Yesterday when teacher go through the activity in Seesaw, some of you answer in your book, alright? Answer your book where they have the arrow like this. Some of you answer stomata, okay? Correct. Correct. Leaf have stomata for them to breathe. But if the question have arrow like this, means you have to write carbon dioxide. Means carbon dioxide go inside the leaf for the photosynthesis process, not stomata. Okay, read the question. If the question asks you to label, then you can label. But if the question asks you needs, needs just now, how many needs of plant we have for photosynthesis? How many? Anyone remember? How many?
4.
4. Correct. Good job. We have 4. Okay. We have 4. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water. What is one more? What is one more? Inside the leaf. What do we have inside the leaf? The one to make the leaf color green. What is it?
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Well done. Correct. Chlorophyll. Where can we find the chlorophyll? Where?
Inside the leaf.
Inside the leaf. Good job. Well done, everyone. Alhamdulillah, you remember. Okay, inside the leaf, right? Inside the leaf, we have one component, one organ of the leaf named chloroplast. Inside the chloroplast, we have our chlorophyll. Okay. Chlorophyll, be careful with the pronunciation. C-H-L-O, yeah?
I want to go to toilet.
Okay, you may go. Okay, chlorophyll. All right. So remember, 4 needs of plant. Chlorophyll. Where do we find chlorophyll? Inside the leaf. Okay, chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. That one, if question asks you what are the 4 needs, so this one is the answer. Do not answer oxygen. Do not answer glucose. Why? Because these two is the product. Okay, it's the product of photosynthesis. Yes.
In my skill habit book at page 43, I answer the needs for her at question 1.
Oh, the needs. Yeah, later we will discuss the skill hebat book. Okay. You guys already sent to Seesaw. Teacher can see. But when I check, many of you answered them wrong. So we will discuss, all right, so that you know which one, what you need to answer in the question photosynthesis. Okay. So for our individual self.
Not finished.
Not finished? Not finished yet?
Not finished.
Okay, do first. If you're not finished yet, do first. Yeah.
Copy at this book.
Which book? Do you have the practical book, the blue book? Yeah, correct. Correct, Amir. That book, correct. Copy the reaction only. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, photosynthesis process, and the final product. This one only. Copy the one inside the box only. Wait, to make a box. Okay, this one. The reaction, you have to remember, this one. This one you have to remember. Copy inside the box only. The one inside the box only. Okay. So teacher will stop recording for a while since teacher already explained to you. Wait for a while. Later I'll show you the screen again, okay? Alright, for those who are not done, don't worry. I will show you the